To Sujata Math Solutions. Today we will learn divisions. Divisions means equal sharing is called division and division is repeated subtraction. First we will learn equal sharing. Okay. Equal sharing means when something shared equally by certain number we call it as equal sharing. Okay. Now I will give one real life activity. Here Arohi is celebrating her birthday. Okay. She is celebrating her birthday among 5 of her friends. And her mother gave 20 chocolates to share equally among 5 of your friends. And but one thing, you don't supposed to left with you. You have to distribute all the chocolates. And Arohi, she is second standard. She don't know how many chocolates each of her friend get. That's why she is distributing one chocolate first. She is distributing one chocolate. She distributed one chocolates. Again, out of 20, she distributed 5 chocolates. 15 left with her. Again, she is distributing one chocolates to them. One chocolate. Again, she has 10 chocolates. Out of 15, she distributed 5 chocolates. 10 chocolates left with her. Again, she is distributing more 5 chocolates. Again, she distributed out of 10, 5 chocolates. 5 chocolates are left with her. Again, her mother said, you have to distribute all the chocolates. That's why again she is distributing one chocolates to them. One chocolates to them. So 5 minus 5, 0. She distributed all the chocolates. No chocolates are left with her. So, but each of her friends, they got 4 chocolates. Okay. They got 4 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of her friends, they got 4 chocolates. Right? See. Here what she did, totally she has 20 chocolates. These 20 chocolates she has distributed equally among 5 of her friends. Each friend, they got 4 chocolates. It can also be written as 20 is divided by 5 equal to 4. So, sharing or distributing the things equal is called division. And next one, repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction means in division, we have to subtract the same number repeatedly from the another number till we get 0. Suppose for example, 30 is divided by 6 equal to, here what is the divisor? Divisor is 6. So we have to subtract 6 from 30 till we get a 0. Right? So now start. 30 minus 6 is equal, 30 minus 6, 24. Again subtract 6 from 24. 24 minus 6 equal to 18. Again subtract 6 from 18. 18 minus 6, that is equal to 12. Again subtract 6 from 12. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Till we have to do 0. Again subtract 6 from 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. If you subtract 6 from 30, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you subtract 6 from 30, 5 times, we will get 0. So, we can write it as 30 is divided by 6 is equal to 5 times. It is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. Yes or no? Division is repeated subtraction. Division is same as repeated subtraction. Division by using number line. We can also divide the numbers using number line. See, for example, 18 is divided by 3. 18 is divided by 3. We can do on number line. See, here 3 is divisor. So, better to write 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Okay. So these are products of 3 table. Okay. Until 18 is divided by 3. So we write first 18 up to 18 only. These products better to circle on number line. 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Read 3 table. 1 3 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Okay. Now start from 8. Make jumps of 3 steps. 1 2 3. Make jumps of 3 steps. Backward till we reach 0. Again one jump with 3 steps. Again one jump with 3 steps. One jump with 3 steps. Again till we reach 0. So how many steps here we taken? Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps taken. Means 6 jumps. Okay. Here from 18 to make jumps of 3 steps till backward till we reach 0. How many jumps taken? 6 jumps. So the answer is 6. And also we can take forward also. Start from 0. Okay. Same. Make jumps of 3 steps till we forward till we reach 18. See. 1 3 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. So it can also written as 18 is divided by 3. That is equal how many steps, how many jumps taken here? 6 jumps. Okay. Now it is number 9. Next one we will learn properties of divisions. Division properties. Next one is division properties. Division properties, first one, any number is divided by 1. Any number. For example, properties of division. Right. Properties of divisions. Any number divided by 1. Any number divided by 1, the result is always itself. For example, 80 is divided by 1. 18 ones are 18 only. 1 18s are 18. So any number divided by 1, the result is always itself. And next one, any number divide itself. Any number divide itself. For example, 6 is divided by 6. Any number divide by itself, the result is always 1. Okay. And one more, any number is divided by 0. Any number divided by 0, the result is 0 only. For example, 25 is divided by 0, the result is 0. 0 25s are 0 only. So that any number divided by 0, the result is always 0 only. Okay. But divide by 0, it is not defined. Yes, see. Divide by 0 is not defined. It is not undefined. Okay. These are properties of divisions.